Hello everyone. Welcome back to another exciting ChatGPT tutorial. Let's create customer testimonials on Dubai hotels. ChatGPT is a versatile AI chatbot developed by OpenAI, capable of understanding and generating human-like text, code, images, and audio. Here is the browser-based ChatGPT AI interface. Giving the prompt for the customer testimonials. Create horizontal animated customer testimonials on Dubai hotels. 4 points by Sheraton, JW Marriott, Jumeirah, Atlantis The Palm and Seal Vintage Collection. Click the Generate button, it will render and publish the result. Your result is rendering, please wait. You can customize by star ratings, add hotel logos and images. Click on Preview to view the result. Customer Testimonials. Horizontal scroller is ready. Now, you can take the piece of code and use it in your development. Customer Testimonials component. Thanks for watching. Please subscribe for more creative videos.